Yo, what's poppin'? So I know you probably already know me. So I don't show my face. This is a blog called Arroyo Arriba. This is in Santiago de los Caballeros in Dominican Republic. You see how hot is the sound? The sun is so hot. And we have those two Haitians building a wall. They are building a wall for Dominican landlord. So this piece of land right here, they're probably gonna build a new apartment like this one, that one, or those around where I live. So what happened, guys? You know, in this country, things are really fucked up. I don't know. Let me try to see if I can show my face. No, I can't. There's no way to flip my camera. Yeah. Haitian people be building houses. You see how hard this one is with the bucket, doing the mortar and all that, laying the bricks and shit. So when they done building the houses, when it's time to build houses, it's always Haitian doing the hard work. See, with the shovel, doing hard work. The other one here, sun so hot, trying to get his bread, listen to some music. I hope you won't see his face. Um, this is how they do. When it's time to build houses, when they want somebody to work hard to give them good work quality, they choose Haitians. But after the house is being built, so if you Haitian, you get the money. Even if you get the money ready to pay, they just not gonna rent your houses. They're not gonna. I'm still in this house is because I've been in the house like for 4 years already, and when I came back, it was not like that. Like 6 or 7 years ago, it was not like that. But now, guys, even if you have money, it's still hard for you to find a place to live because the Dominicans they don't want to rent houses to Haitians. They mostly want to rent you some broken houses. How can I be building the best houses in there, and when it's time for me to live in the house, you just want to rent me some fucked up houses? So this is a no-no. I was just showing you my neighborhood. You see the road out there. So we're safe in here, but it's not always good for everybody. You know what I mean?